Guys, today I'm going to tell you 17th question. Let's start it. Yeah, the 17th question is 25 ml of given HCl solution. HCl solution requires 30 ml of 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution. Once again, I repeat the sentence. 25 ml of HCl, the given HCl solution requires 30 ml of 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution. Then they asked to find out as the volume of HCl solution. Then they asked us to find out the volume of HCl solution required to titrate. This is the keyword. Titrate 30 ml of 0.2 molar aqueous NaOH solution. I once again repeat the question. 25 ml of given HCl solution requires 30 ml of 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution. Then what is the volume of HCl solution required to titrate 30 ml of 0.2 molar NaOH sodium hydroxide, right? This is the question. For this question you should know some basics which I have already taught in the preceding video, because there is also concept in that video, so I have explained. It is about dilution, right? Yeah. Okay, let's come to the point. First, in this question we should know about normality, because here 25 ml of given HCl solution requires 30 ml of 0.1 molar sodium carbonate solution. That means here mole equivalent of HCl should be equal to mole equivalent of Na2CO3, which is sodium carbonate. That means mole equivalent means it was given by V1N1 is equal to V2N2. This was already done in the before video, preceding video. In case you have any doubts or you are not at all understanding, then you can watch that video. So let's go further. V1N1 is equal to V2N2. V1 means here 25 ml. 25 into normality is given by n factor into molarity, right? Here also V2 is nothing but 30 ml into n factor into M2, which is molarity of the second equivalent solution, right? If in the question it was given that 20 some solution requires other quantity of other solution, then it is to be proved that mole equivalent of before solution is equal to mole equivalent of for the required mixing solution, right? The required solution. Okay, so let's do it. 25 ml into n factor of HCl. N factor is nothing but n factor for basis is acidity and n factor for acids is basicity. I have already thought this also. So for HCl, n factor is 1 because number of H plus ions that can be replaced is, that is for HCl it is, as it is acid it will be basicity will be there for that. So the basicity of HCl is 1. So here 1, and molarity of HCl solution that we are required to find out, we don't know. And next it was given that 30 ml V1 into normality n factor of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Here it is base, it should be having n acidity. That means number of Na plus ions here, see, like Na2, that means 2 here. the n factor comes out to be 2. Also, it was given that in the question it was given that it is 0.1 molar. So molarity of the second equation was also given. So molarity of first equation, first solution will be here. If we cancel out in 5 table 5 times, in 5 table 6 times, and 6 into 0.1 comes out to be 0.6, not like that. Yes, let's transfer here first of all. Here 6 into 12, 12 into 5, sorry, because here 5 is multiplying, right? So it becomes this, whenever it comes to this side, it divides the right hand side, right? 6 into 12 into, let's write it as 1 by 10, and 5 comes out of here. And divisible 6 times, table 5 times 6 by 5, 6 by 25. Yes, this comes out to be 6 by 25. So molarity of first solution comes out to be 6 by 25. So this is the molarity of HCl solution, given HCl solution, right? So now in the question it was asked to find out the volume of HCl that is required to mix in to titrate 30 ml of 0.2 molar aqueous NaOH solution. That means we should have molarity. So keep it in your mind. M1 is equal to 6 by 25. Let's write here. M1 is equal to 6 by 25. This is the molarity of HCl solution. Okay, it was asked to find out volume of HCl. Here also we are given two solutions. So mole equivalent of HCl should be equal to mole equivalent of NaOH. So mole equivalent of HCl, which is V1 and 1. We don't know the V1 is equal to V2 and 2, right? And V1 n factor, which is n factor in n normality 1, which is n factor into n factor is 1 for HCl, so I'm not mentioning it for you. I'm mentioning here. And n factor into molarity 1, right? Molarity 1 is nothing but molarity of HCl, which is 6 by 25, and V2. Here it was clearly mentioned 30 ml into normality 2, which is n factor of NaOH is 1, right? Because if you watch in NaOH, you will be having single sodium. I hope you understood. And the molarity 2, which comes out to be here in the question, it was mentioned at 0.2 molar. Okay. Then if we send 6 by 25 the other side, it will be 25 by 6 into 30. Oh, let's don't prolong this. Yeah, better to use this. 6 in 6 table 5 times. 6 cancel out. 30 cancel out to be 5 times and 6. And further cancellations, anything more there? Yes. We can write 0.2 as 2 by 10, right? So it comes out to be 5 ones, 5 twos. So 2 cancel out. Here we are only one is remaining. Yes, only here in the left hand side 25 is remaining. So if we turn other side, it will multiply. So volume of the given HCl solution is 25 ml. This comes out to be the answer of 17th question, right?